go. So my camera's really making this noise like about 60 RPM. You able to hear like the ghost or like somewhere back here. I thought it was a heat show, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna have my girlfriend sit on it. Alright, go ahead.